was agreed, the resolution 73.1 of the last World Health Assembly, contains a large number of actions to be taken by WHO and the Member States, including the comprehensive evaluation of the response thus far, but many others around the ACT accelerator and vaccines, around surveillance, around so many other things that the world needs to get on and do together, both now and into the future. We know the G20 have also been discussing this issue of global preparedness now and into the future. We know the European Union have been doing that, and many different regional and global bodies have been really sitting up and taking notice of the fact that this pandemic has come, this pandemic has taken people by surprise, and we need to do better in future in order to stop pandemics like this and invest in the long-term solutions. So we're always pleased when bodies like the G7, the G20, the European Union, ASEAN and so many others get together and really take these issues seriously. And obviously the G7 been some of the richest and most powerful nations in the world, and organisations that quite frankly have invested a tremendous amount technically, operationally and financially in the World Health Organization. It's always a good thing when they're talking about global health, when they're talking about the threat of pandemics and how we work our way out of this one. So we welcome those engagements. We are not part of those discussions or negotiations, and we would leave it to the participants in that discussion to clarify what their positions are in that discussion. We trust that such powerful and capable nations will have consensus around how they wish to approach the global health security. We all occupy one planet. We are all vulnerable to the risks anywhere on this planet, and we need to find global solutions, both in terms of preparedness and response. And we trust that the G7 will play a major part in that in the months and years to come.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ryan. The next question comes from Clive Cookson of the Financial